Start.
I am Dr. M.M. Mutsadi, desire to give some information on optically active substance. Optical activity is the property exhibited by the substances like quartz, turpentine, sugar solution, cinnabar, which rotate the plane of polarization either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. The rotational property of polarization is classified into two categories, that is under two classes. First one is dextrorotatory substances and the second one is levorotatory substance. Dextrorotatory substances are the substances which rotate the plane of polarization in clockwise direction, and levorotatory substances are those which rotate the plane of polarization in anti-clockwise direction. The summarization of optical rotation is stated by Biot in 1815 by considering the parameters on which the polarization or the rotational property of polarization is dependent. If we consider theta as the angle of rotation of polarized substances, then this angle of rotation is proportional to the length or the thickness of the sample, and second one, it is directly proportional to the concentration of the substance, and third one, it is proportional to the room temperature, and fourth one, it is inversely proportional to the square of the wavelength of the light used, and it is minimum for red colored radiations and maximum for violet colored radiations. Apart from this one, if the sample is consisting of so many substances of different optical rotations, then the algebraic sum of all rotations will represent the resultant rotation produced by all the substances together. So Fresnel was the first person who tried to explain this optical rotation on the basis of the composition of the simple harmonic motion. He considered the plane of polarization or the plane of vibration as the composition of two circular motions. First one, for optically inactive substance, the two circular motions are considered, which are moving in opposite directions with the same velocity and with the same frequency. And under such case, there is no optical rotation. There is no rotation of plane of polarization of vibration. But optically active substance exhibit, there is a rotation in plane of polarization or the plane of vibration, where leading to either in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. And for explaining these two kinds of phenomena, calcite crystal is considered, which is optically inactive, which doesn't rotate any plane of polarization. Quartz crystal, on the other hand, is a dextrorotatory, exhibiting the rotation of plane of polarization in clockwise direction. And the two figures are represented here. And the composition of the two harmonic motions, circular motions, in case of optically inactive substance is shown that they are approaching the position of the plane of polarization with equal velocity. But in case of optically active substance, the right hand circular motion is ahead of the left hand motion, thereby clearly showing that the velocity of the right-handed circular motion is more than the velocity of left-handed circular motion. Iಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿ.